I prep it with some Vaseline Radiant non-greasy, and I use like that much, like 1 squirt of it. This is probably too much. I'm gonna put some of it on my arm. Okay, that much. And these are the positionings that I would put my makeup anyway. I guess I'll use the rest to clean my hands. But just try and get your whole face and make sure it rubs in, because this cream has a tendency to not rub in fully. Like sometimes I'll go out and I'll see the cream then not done, not rubbed into my skin properly. So I'm just gonna warn you about that one. Save you the trouble. So see, there's quite a bit on my forehead, but it's cool. Just use it anywhere you feel kind of dry. I like to use a lot on my nose because I have like some like kind of flaky, oily nose like skin type on my nose. Like my nose sheds a lot and I don't know where. But anywho, your face should now be moisturized like this. There you go. Ooh. But you know who does it best? Latinas. Case closed. Latinas do it the best. I don't care what anyone says. And anytime I follow a tutorial, I always follow the Latinas. This is it. Okay, so I found this girl. I can't tell if she's a Somali or not. I have no clue, but we're gonna follow her because I'm gonna use this, my little clear mascara. Oh, why has it turned not clear? What the hell's going on there? Okay, doesn't matter, but hey. And I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows up just to get it to behave. The other one always behaves. This side always well behaved. This side likes to act up sometimes.
You know we got girl right around the world.
Right. And sometimes it has some gaps in it.
You know what she said? She want shut up, she no want Harry Potter.
Also, don't worry too much. There's my brows. As you can see, this one has spaces in it. And I think that this Lash Princess won't fix. Once I fix that gap there, I just go like this. And I'm done. That was literally it. And so this is the shade Warm Honey. Like this. And we should connect it in the middle here. Okay. Alright, now let's blend. I'll use a small size brush. And blend upwards. Blend it up. I'd say that's good. I'm going to use my slightly darker shade, fawn, which is what I usually use. And I'm just going to do my triangle. Don't be afraid to actually apply the product though. There you go. And I'm going to use this brush here. I don't know if these have names, but it's like soft. And just go upwards and just follow your head basically. There we go. Okay, now I have to blend this down. I normally do my lashes after my makeup instead of before, because then I don't have this issue of me constantly attacking my own lashes. But it's because I did them last night as well. Ah! Hey, I messed up. Next is contouring the nose, but as you can see, it's invisible on my skin because this is my exact shade. Contour, I use stick to my typical, which is truffle.
Okay, so my tuck is literally just line across and across like that.
Right, got nothing playing through. But yeah, I like to go like that, so make sure it always blends like into what I've got. And then just go like this and blend the bridge. Blend this. I don't know what this is called. Just goes under the tip really. And then blend this bit. Just remember to follow your instructions. So, as you can see, I'll say it's a decent contour. But down here it's too blended. Ooh, that's nice. That's a lot better than what I'm working with. Why am I fully doing myself like that? But yeah, I'd say it looks pretty cute. Oh my gosh, it looks like I have a lifted tip. Like doing lighter under here. So for that, I'm going to use my warm honey again. Okay, I like that. All the way to the elbow. Try not to use different amount of products on both sides of your face, chat, because it might end up looking funny. The cake will turn out crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a cake. As you can see, I've done them 2 different ways. I don't know what my issue is. I should have done the cooking by the book, but it don't matter. We're just gonna go and blend it anyway.
Yo, look at it now. The colour looks so mad, but hey, trust the process.
You see, it's supposed to link up with the tip. I wouldn't say it's fully symmetrical, but I also wouldn't say I care too much. Like reddish toned ones, this is the only thing I have with slight reddish tone in it. And my bronzer's too light for it. Yeah, see? Damn. The only person who has it is my mother. I will not be going to ask her for anything. But you kind of want to just put it underneath where you did the thing. So I'm going to do 3 dots underneath that. Oh my god, symmetrical! More or less symmetrical. I did a good job. And make sure you blend it into your face. Yeah? Like, so basically, from the end of my nose to the middle. Like that.
Yeah, I can't lie, I was looking too much like a certain historical figure.
Goodness me. I'm just gonna do what I know to do, which is like, you know, cheek contour. And I do that because it gives me a nice little lineup of where I'm doing. And then I like to go around and under. Ooh. I like to go top of my head like this. Just like that. And then, yo, my cheekbones look mad. And I'm gonna just highlight my nose as well. And just do my nose like that. And then like this. Cute! Yeah, there's my makeup.